Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Tay, and today we are jumping back into episode 9 of Chainsaw Man, and I'm stressed. Like, this last episode was a lot. Seeing Miss Makima get killed on the train, and then seeing them all be, like, attacked, I'm just, like, really stressed out. So I'm anxious to see what's going to happen, because we only have a few episodes left of this. I think there's, like, 4 more. But yeah, so I'm definitely anxious to see what is going on in this next episode because so many of them died. And yeah, I just am like really wondering what's going to happen because I think Denji's going to be really upset if he, pulls through. I know he got hurt as well and he was just kind of laying there like unconscious, I'm hoping. But yeah, so we will go ahead and jump in. But before we do, please don't forget to hit that subscription button down below and we will go ahead and start. Man, who this dude is? He's like so creepy. I wonder if he's like similar to Denji, like if he could turn into something in particular. Oh.
次は真っ二つにしてやる。
心臓は傷つけないで。なんかわかんねえけど、てめえらが悪いやつだってことだけはなんとなく分かったぞ。悪いやつは好きだぜ。ぶっ殺しても誰も文句言わねえからな。
殺してやろう。
こちら沢渡練馬西大ビル3階でチェーンソーと戦っている。援護しに来い。
撃ちますか。腕か心臓を狙え。
あれいつ切られた。おい、そこの悪者、こいつてめえの仲間だろ。
それならどうした。
おお、1ミリでも動いてみな。お仲間のお顔がおミンチになるぜ。
くっそ野郎が。
そうそう、そこで座ってな。
Sit your ass down. Oh shit.
キュト。
Oh my god. What?
こいつを運ぶ。さっさと車を持ってこい。急げよ。チェーンソーのお仲間は全員撃ち殺したはずだが。
I don't even know what to say. What the heck? Ugh. I'm still like in shock. I'm like, not even, I don't know. What the hell? I wasn't expecting that at all. So it's just Aki and Power left, right? But I know they said she ran off, so I don't know what she's doing. But oh my god.
Shoot. もうすぐ駅に着く。車両移動して民間人に紛れるぞ。
What? What the hell? I guess she's freaking them all out if she just got up after being shot in the head like that. They're probably like, what the hell?
Kurose-kun, Tendo-chan. 新幹線内で銃撃にあった。死体があるから片付けさせて。会食は中止。
東京でも銃撃が。マキマさん、その血は
どこか撃たれましたか？これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
What? That's weird. It looked like she was shot in the head in the last episode. So is she not really shot, or is she like able to heal or something quick? Like, that's really weird.
マキマさん、そろそろ到着します。ありがとう、天童ちゃん。すぐに行きます。
急げ。しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
お前も手伝え。
Oh my god.
はいはいはいはい。
そっち持て。
どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。
おいおい、持てよ。
なんだこれ。
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
ああ？
変な感じってどういう？
What? The heck?
いい班。
What is going on?
C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
こちら E 班、こちら E 班。さっきから C 班との連絡が取れないんだ。
So I assume she had some sort of ability just because like her eyes and stuff like are, I don't know, her eyes have like that yellow, but I know they didn't really address it yet, but I assume she did. I don't know. What the heck?
なんで俺たちも目隠しを？
マキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。おい、車に運べ。おい、聞いてるのか、三島。
Ugh. This is so crazy. Ooh, this girl. Oh, she had to see that, and she's so like anxious and nervous already.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。ヘリ尻尾
Oh, don't do that. Oh, okay. Look at her. What? Wow. I'm gonna shoot her too, because that girl's crazy. All of that for what? And they still didn't get denji. Like, so stressful. That was crazy. So she kind of goes a little nuts when she's anxious. Because she just always seems so nervous.
殺そうとしてごめんね。
Aww.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。ダメだ。ハイになっちゃってる。
Oh, wow.
私をかばって私のせいでそんな私もうダメだこの仕事してたらおかしくなる
Yeah, that's rough. That's a
今
lot
の
to
先
go
輩
through.
に会ったらやめるって言おう
Aw, she doesn't even know. Sad.
まどかくん生きててよかった得意科はどれくらい生きてる
得意1か2か3か4かともに銃撃に遭い、あとこれを
何
僕の辞表です。
Oh.
やめちゃうの
得意科がきな臭くなってきました。やめるか殺されるかの二択ですよ。最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか。
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな
Oh,
まどか
okay.
くん今までありがとうこれ渡しておくね
Yeah, how you gonna ask all that when you just quit? It's craziness.
牧間さん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに
So this episode was like was like bonkers crazy wild. yeah, like, I feel like Makima, I feel like there's like something else going on. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, just the vibe she gives off is weird because she's so like calm all the time. And now she's like the head of like all those divisions, like wrapped up into one. So I feel like there's something else there. And I don't know what it is. But yeah, I'm just getting that vibe. But yeah, this was like rough, this episode, and seeing just like everyone just get like killed one after another has been really like a lot. So, and I'm wondering like what's gonna happen with Denji. Like, is he completely gone? That just seems so like crazy. Um, but yeah, so this episode there was just like a lot. Like when in the beginning when he just like showed them being sliced in half. I was like, what the hell? That just like completely caught me off guard because it's like, I don't know, the fight was, I feel like, going more in like Denji's favor. And I was just like completely shocked. And I didn't think he would kill someone from his own group, but I guess the whole point is to get his heart. So it's probably like they know that they may have to like die or sacrifice their life to get that thing, that ultimate goal. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the next episode. I'm really anxious to see how this season wraps up. I really do feel like something is like weird about Makima. I'm really getting that vibe, and I'm just anxious to see like Aki and everybody kind of like get together since so many of them are gone now. If we're gonna see Power again, I'm definitely just like really curious to see what's gonna go on. But yeah, this episode was like really crazy. There was just like so much going on, and it was just like one crazy thing after another. It was really wild. So yeah, that's about it for me, guys. I will catch you in the next one, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.